Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. So as you guys can see, today we are going to be doing another business video. You guys really love these business videos. I just finished recording a makeup tutorial, so I figured why not do another business video for you guys while I'm already like done and have my makeup on, because you guys know I'm not gonna come on camera without my makeup done. Okay, so today's video is going to be about customizing your brand and creating labels. So basically we are going to be talking about branding today, which is like the most important thing about having a company. Just as if it was Nike, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Ralph Lauren, they're all brands. Like that's why we buy them, because of the brand. You can easily get the same product made in China. There are replicas done in China, but it's not going to be the same because it's not legit Nike or legit Ralph Lauren. It's basically the brand. So that's why it's so important to brand yourself as a brand, even if it's like as yourself as an influencer or anything. Branding is super important. So today we are going to be talking about branding your makeup company or boutique or anything that you're selling. It could be cosmetics, it could be clothing, it could be hair. Branding is so important, guys. Like I cannot stress that. Today we're going to be talking about branding, and I'm going to show you guys these new labels that I have. I'm going to be releasing these lip glosses. I have not released them yet because I have to do shoots and photography and videos for them, so that when I do release them, people know how the colors look and what they're getting. But branding is basically everything. So these are my new lip gloss tubes. Yes, of course, you can sell them without labels. It could just be a plain lip gloss tube. But what's going to put your company aside from any other company is just going to be the same thing. So that's where branding comes in. That's why branding is so majorly important. So my brand name is Thogs, which is the House of Glitter. So I got my amazing new labels made by Kreationsbyerika, and I'm going to tell you guys all about this company and how affordable and great quality these labels are, and also why you should purchase higher quality labels than trying to save money and going with cheaper labels that will not last you. This is what my labels came in, and this is how my labels look. If you guys can see, I have a bunch of sheets. And these sheets are super duper high quality PVC. Like these labels are made at a professional label workshop. Before, when I first started, I figured I could save some money and cut corners and go with Avery printing and print my own labels and basically try to save money, which was my mistake, because the labels that I got from Avery print, they ended up peeling off. They did not last long. They did not go well with gloss because gloss is really sticky. So I had a super duper problem. I tried to save money, but I ended up wasting a lot of money on labels. I ordered these labels from averyprint.com, trying to save money, you know, being a newbie. And these are how the labels look. Like the sheet of paper is super flimsy, and these labels don't last for like anything. Like it's like super flimsy, not thick at all. The quality is not there. So this is showing you guys the quality that you would get if you order labels from a cheap company, which is Avery Print. You don't want that. You want to save money in the long run. So you're gonna have to spend money in order to save money, because if you buy cheap crap, you're gonna have to waste more money and not buy cheap crap. So this is the thick paper that you are getting if you purchase your labels with Kreationsbyerika. This is why I'm going to recommend you guys to her. Her prices are really good. They're super affordable. She does wholesale, super duper affordable, guys. Like I love the quality of these labels. I'm gonna peel one off to show you guys. Like this label is top quality, and I can tell that. That's why I basically wanted to compare the Avery print to these labels. So I definitely recommend that you guys purchase all of your labels from Kreationsbyerika. This is not a paid video. I was not paid to do this video, so let's get into it. So these are some labels that she made for candles. Like I said, it does not have to be cosmetics. These are candle labels. If you make soap, she has soap labels. She has lotion labels, hair products. She has business cards that she makes, and these are how the business cards look. They are super duper amazing quality. I love the way these business cards feel. Like the first thing I did when I opened it, I was like, oh my God, these cards are such amazing quality. So if you're an influencer and you need business cards, I would definitely recommend her. She also makes stickers. I have a bunch of stickers, product stickers, you know, like the names of the products that you put on there. What else is here? A few other cosmetic companies that she did labels for. So a lot of people work with her. So you guys know you're getting such amazing quality. These are some other lipstick labels that she made. Super duper cute. Like, I would definitely recommend her to you guys. So these are some stickers. She makes stickers if you're putting stickers on your hair packages. She also makes clothing tags for your clothing. If you're going to attach like clothing instructions, like this card right here is for wash instructions. So you would include this with your clothing. This is super duper important. Again, guys, I cannot stress how important it is for you to customize your brand, because if you don't customize your brand, then you're just another brand. Like, what makes you different from everybody else? They can just buy from the other person. And also why you should customize your business is that you can charge more money, because you're paying for that money to put back into your business. So when you customize, you're able to charge more. So if you're charging $5 for the gloss and then you go ahead and customize it, you want to add on that customization price, and then you can charge more for your glosses, guys. So yes, I cannot stress how important it is to customize your product. Another reason why I would recommend her was that she was so smooth to work with. Everything went smoothly. She replied back to all my questions. She was always available for me to contact her if I had any questions, and I really like that. And you can tell that she was really dedicated to her business because everything just went through so smoothly and fastly. So one of the most amazing things about working with Kreationsbyerika is that she does not charge you to design your label. Everybody knows that companies charge you to design the label. So they charge you to design the label, and then they charge you to print the labels. Labels are going to run around 20 cents up to 80 cents per label. It depends on the size and the material that you select for your label. So these prices are for wholesale, which would mean you would have to purchase 200 labels or more. She makes most of her labels at the same price. And just keep in mind that designing labels takes a while, guys. And this is a stay-at-home mom, and she's doing this super duper fast. The delivery time is so fast. It's amazing. And she's basically designing the labels for free for you guys, which is pretty awesome. So I don't want this video to be super duper long. I just wanted it to be basically about customizing your brand and just basically showing you guys where I got my new labels from, because I know I'm gonna get asked a lot of questions about where I got these labels from. I absolutely love them, and I definitely would recommend Kreationsbyerika, and that's why I wanted to create this video for you guys, so you won't make the same mistake that I did trying to save money and buying cheap labels from Avery. So your better bet is to make the investment, which is not a lot of money. 20 cents to 80 cents per label is an amazing price. So I would definitely recommend that you guys head over to Kreationsbyerika to get your products customized. It does not have to be cosmetics products. It could be clothing, it could be hair. Whatever you sell, she can customize it for you and create you a label. I am absolutely in love with these labels, guys. Like, I can't believe that they came out so pretty. And like my whole brand just looks so professional. Like I love it. Even my husband loves it. He was like, oh my God, they look perfect. It looks absolutely perfect. Like she asked me which text I wanted, and I showed her like the previous labels that I had, and she went ahead and created this by herself. Like I didn't send her a template or anything, and she created this for me, and it basically just brought like my dreams come true, because this lip gloss looks absolutely amazing. It looks like a high-end lip gloss, and I'm just a regular person, like, and to have something like this that's my own is pretty amazing. So yeah, guys, until next time, please let me know if you guys have any other business video ideas, and I will be happy to create them for you guys. Until next time, bye.